Mohawk Valley Materials is a diversified heavy construction contractor operating throughout the U.S. Before adding B2W Maintain, the company spent about $2 million annually to maintain equipment. Only 20% of that work was planned. B2W Maintain allowed the company to get proactive, set up and stick to preventative maintenance plans, and flip that ratio. Now, 80% of maintenance work is planned. Mohawk Valley calculates that planned maintenance is 5 times less costly than unplanned maintenance. Previously, 60% of the work accounted for $1.2 million annually. Shifting that 60% from unplanned to planned at a 5 times savings will take the cost for that portion of the work down to $232,000. That's a savings of $968,000, cutting the annual total from $2 million to just over $1 million.